Good morning students, how are you all? Okay students, we will do the revision of first chapter what we are doing. So, three layers are there. In tooth, how many layers? Three layers are there. Okay, in tooth, three layers. Three layers are there. What are they? Enamel, dentine and pulp. What are they? Enamel, dental and pulp. So enamel is what? Enamel is the outer white covering. Outer white covering in tooth you are saying that is known as enamel. Okay? White covering, hardest substance of the body. It is a very hard substance of the body. Understood? It is the hardest substance of the body. Next part is what? Dentine. Next one is known as dentine. Dentine found below the enamel. Enamel is there below the enamel. What form? Dentine is found. Okay. Dentine found below the enamel, and it is the hard and bone-like. It is the hard and bone-like. See, it is the softer than the enamel. It is the softer than enamel. Understood? This is about the dentine. Next one is pulp. Next one is pulp. Pulp is the central part of the tooth. It is the central, middle you are seeing, central part of the tooth. Understood? Pulp is the central part of the tooth. It is the soft and has a, it is a soft part. Understood? Pulp is a soft part, has a supply of nerve and blood vessels. It is a supply of nerve and blood vessels. Understood? So what you are seeing, that structure of tooth, in structure of tooth how many layers are there? Structure of tooth, three layers are there. How many? Three layers. What are they? Enamel, dentile and pulp. What are the three layers? Enamel, dental and pulp. Okay, this is the structure of teeth. Three layers are there: enamel, dental and pulp. Now this enamel, what is it? It is the hardest part of your body. It is the hardest substance of the body. Enamel is the hardest substance of the body. Enamel is the outer white covering. Enamel is the outer white covering and it is the hardest substance of the body. Understood? Hardest substance of the body. Clear? Next one is dentile. Dentile is where dentile is situated? Below the enamel. Dentile is below the enamel. Clear? This is dentile. Dentile is below the enamel. Okay? Then it is a hard and bone-like. It is a hard and bone-like. Dentile is hard and bone-like. Okay? It is a softer than enamel, but it is a softer than enamel. Dentile is little bit softer than enamel, and enamel is the hardest part of the body. Clear? It is the hardest part of the body and it is a white covering. It is the white covering and hardest part of the body. Next one is the dentile. Dentile is below the enamel. Dentile is below the enamel and it is the hard and bone-like, but it is a softer than enamel. Dentile is softer than enamel. Next one you are seeing that after that pulp is there. After that pulp is there. Now pulp is the central, it is you are seeing in middle, it is the central part of the tooth. Pulp is the central part of the tooth. Okay, pulp, where is pulp? Pulp is the central part of the tooth and it is the soft and has supply of nerve and blood vessels. It is the soft and supply of nerve and blood vessels. Understood, student? So this is the structure of tooth. You will draw in your copy this structure and label the diagram nicely. You will label the name of this part of the structure of the tooth. How many layers it is having? Three layers. How many layers? Three layers. What are the three layers? Enamel, dentile and pulp. What are the three layers? Enamel, dentile and pulp. So it is the white color and it is the hardest. It is also white and bone-like, but it is a less harder than enamel, softer than enamel and this one pulp is a central part of the teeth, and it is the soft and has a supply of nerve and blood vessels. Okay student, now you draw it student.